Hey guys, I'm back here at Thousand Islands Toyota. We're located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. My name's Nina, and today I want to show you one of the pre-owned pickup trucks we have on our lot. It's the 2018 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew. It's got a 10-speed automatic transmission, a 2.7-liter V6 engine, and that will put out about 325 horsepower and 400 pounds-per-feet of torque. It's got a 98-liter fuel tank, and you'll get fuel economy ratings of roughly 12.7 liters per 100 kilometers in the city, and then 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. Now, neat feature about this truck is it's got a remote start included in it. So to activate that, you're just going to take your remote, make sure the vehicle is locked, and then double click this button here. And that'll start the vehicle for you, get it nice and warmed up on those cold winter mornings. Now let's hop in and take a look at the interior. Alright, so inside the vehicle on the door panel, you've got your power door locks, power windows, and heated power exterior mirrors. I also kind of like the location of this door handle. It's kind of unique. And moving it over, we have the cat skin leather seats, and it's an 8-way power adjustment on these leather heated seats. And you've also got your lumbar adjustment, so you can actually see that working. Well, that's a cool feature. Just to the left of the steering wheel, you have your automatic high beams and your fog light controls there. You've also got the sprint booster installed in this, and that basically increases your throttle response time and gives you kind of a peppier feel when you're accelerating. You've also got your 4-way adjustable headrests. And the really nice contrasted white stitching on these leather seats is really nice, along with the FXR branding. So it's a standard key ignition. Manual tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and you've got all your Bluetooth and hands-free audio controls here, along with voice recognition, and then your cruise control settings are just here. Up above you have your 4.2-inch color LCD display. Up above here, you've got your sunglasses holder, and then this button here controls your rear window. So that's nice too. Got a nice little storage cubby up here for your wallet or your phone. Your traction control option is here. And you've also got the auto start stop feature on this vehicle, which will basically shut your engine off when you're stopped at a red light, and that'll conserve gas for you in the long run. You've got a really nice backup camera with a 360-degree view. And of course your navigation system as well. Below that, you've got your climate control options and a CD player in this one as well. Heated seat controls are located just here. for the driver and the passenger side here. You've got a retractable little storage cubby here. And in there you've got 2 USB ports. And that just slides back automatically like that with just like a little bit of a push. You've got your leather wrapped shift knob. And then a really huge center console. You've got a 12-volt power accessories outlet here, and actually you've even got a 110-volt plug in there. So you can actually be making toast in the passenger side, as far as I know. And then a lockable glove compartment as well. So let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So in terms of exterior features, it's got a pretty cool looking grille actually. You've got your halogen headlamps, body colored bumpers. These are 18-inch alloy wheels with the 6-spoke pattern. And then you've got your BF Goodrich Baja Champion all-season or all-terrain tires rather. And those are nice and chunky, so those will just rip through any type of weather. You've got your black exterior mirrors with the integrated signal lamps. Keyless entry. Running boards. And then you've got a 5.5-foot box in the back with the soft tonneau cover already installed. So this guy's got a towing capacity of just over 10,000 pounds, 10,100 pounds. And that's more than enough to haul all your toys, your family, and anything you could conceivably need for like a weekend away at the cottage. So in the back here, guys, that is just a ridiculous amount of legroom. Like, you could full on recline in there. You could pretty much lay down in the legroom there. Again, these seats have been immaculately cared for by the previous owner. They're in such good shape. And then if you think this isn't enough room in the back, check that out. Bam! Even more. And that literally just pushes up. Like, I didn't have to struggle with any buttons or levers or latches. I literally just pushed that up. And it's so effortless. Like, come on. You've also got rear vents for the climate for the rear passengers, and then another power accessories outlet here. You could be making more toast in the back. And 2 more USB charging ports. Another power accessories outlet. And a couple of cup holders. Guys, this is a really, really nice truck. It's not going to last long on our lot. Alright folks, so that was our pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150. And it's the XLE Super Crew. Check out that hood scoop on the front there. It's pretty cool. So if this is the type of truck you're looking for, guys, give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to put you in for a test drive. Thanks for watching again, and please let us know if you have any questions or comments about this Ford F-150. Until then, take care and stay safe.